In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Firefox background color. Mozilla Firefox lets you personalize the appearance of your browser in several ways, including changing its overall color scheme through themes. Whether you prefer a light appearance, a dark interface, or another color combination, changing the browser's background can make Firefox more comfortable to use and better match your personal style. In this tutorial, to begin, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser has launched, click the Menu button in the upper right corner of the window. This button is represented by three horizontal lines. When the menu appears, select Extensions and Themes to open Firefox's customization page. On the Add-ons Manager page, click Themes from the menu on the left. This section displays the themes that are currently available for your browser. You'll see a selection of built-in themes, such as the default system theme, a light theme, and a dark theme. Browse through the available options and choose the one that best matches the background color and appearance you want for Firefox. When you find a theme you'd like to use, click the Enable button next to it. Firefox applies the selected theme immediately, so you'll see the browser's appearance update without needing to restart it. If you'd like even more color choices, you can browse additional themes from the Firefox add-ons website. Open the Themes gallery, explore the available designs, and select one that suits your preferences. Once you've chosen a theme, add it to Firefox and confirm the change when prompted. The new theme will be applied automatically. After changing the theme, take a moment to open a few tabs and browse different pages to see how the new background color looks throughout the browser. If you decide you'd rather use a different appearance, simply return to the Themes section and enable another theme. You can switch between themes as often as you like. Changing your Firefox background color is a simple way to personalize your browsing experience without affecting your bookmarks, extensions, or browser settings. It's a quick customization that can make the browser more visually appealing and comfortable to use during long browsing sessions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,